Try to get him in action here. James. Hey. What are you doing? Careful. Careful.
This is a pretty good deal. What happened?
Ready to go. Who's that? Go see Derby. Bite? What? What? Where are you going?
Yeah, but you said you wouldn't use it.
What are you doing? No, don't do that. It's locked up. Can't get to it.
40 gal look bigger than the 30 gal. Oh,
Hello.
that's a 6 times a day feeder.
What are you doing?
I could use one of these. Maybe a Beretta or Glock 26. Oh, that's cute. He makes weird noises when he's over there.
Yeah, that's the different sound.
I'm gonna start buying you guys things for Christmas that